Hi everyone. So today we discuss about how to create ledger using a simple problem. Note down the problem on the screen. Okay. Open the Tally. Open it in educational mode. Actually we created a company yesterday. So company option is there. Select it. What we created yesterday. I am going to open it. Let us go with the account info. In that ledger I am going to choose create multiple ledger. Under group you select all items. So in this, as per the problem, the Mr. Krishna started a new company, right? Mr. Krishna comes under capital account. So the owner of the company, partner of the company comes under capital account, right? Capital account, and enter it. In this ledger we are not going to enter any cash or amount, only names. And second point, furniture purchased. So here furniture comes under fixed asset. It is the asset of the company, so it comes under in fixed asset. Remember this one: computers, printers, furnitures, vehicles, cars, everything comes under in the fixed asset. Next point, computer purchased. So this is comes under in fixed asset. Enter F, you will get direct assets of fixed asset. Here there is no any opening balance, enter it. And fourth one, rent paid. Rent paid, it is the expense of the company, right? So it comes under indirect expense of the company. So rent paid is the indirect expense. And the next one, electricity bill paid. So it is also a indirect expense. It comes under indirect expense. So similarly, next one, fees received. It is the income for the company. So income for the company comes under indirect income. So this comes under indirect income. Select it. So any donations received, any amount or cash received comes under indirect income. So next point, donation received. So this is also income for the company. So enter it in indirect income. Next one, last one, printer purchased. Printer purchased. Printer is also an asset of the company. So select it in fixed asset. Finally submit it, and we want to see that, click on display all items, the computer purchased, electricity bill paid, everything will appears like this. This is how the ledger creation.